Hello everyone, welcome to the Automation Hangout. Today we're going to take a deep dive into regression testing. If you're working in a software company, you might have heard this term many times in the past. Let's actually take a small example to understand what is regression testing. So I'm assuming that all of you are familiar with the Amazon shopping app. There are multiple ways in which you can actually make purchases through the Amazon app. You can pay by credit card, you can actually pay via banking account, you can have a payment through debit card. And I assume that Amazon has decided to implement a feature using which now you can make purchases using cryptocurrency. And they decided to set up a team, let's say with around 100 people comprising of developers and testers, and then they would develop and test this feature in the next 3 months. After the end of the 3 month time period, the development was complete, and the feature is actually rolled out into the both the shopping app as well as the online website. But now customers were able to make purchases using cryptocurrency. But on the other side, unfortunately, what has happened is the credit card payment module has stopped working, and customers were not able to make purchases through credit cards, which was mostly the most used option within their website. So this feature is working earlier, and now there is no other go. They had decided to roll back the feature. The code for payment module was actually modified as part of the cryptocurrency feature addition, and this has actually resulted in a lot of new issues. Since no one had actually tested the existing features before they rolled out, no one had actually identified this issue internally. But eventually, it has actually caused a lot of loss to the organization because people are not able to complete their shopping. So if someone had actually tested this feature thoroughly before the site was actually made online with the cryptocurrency feature, this would not have happened in production. It is exactly the use case that regression testing is addressing. Regression testing is a type of testing that is primarily done to verify that code changes made in the software is not impacting an existing functionality of your application or your product. So when is that one should look at conducting a regression test? That's very important aspect. So the primary or maybe the number one area where you might actually have to focus on regression testing is when new features are actually getting deployed or developed. Second is basically you might have defect fixes going into your product. So it's also important to make sure that the defect fixes are not actually causing any harm to your current application. And then your supporting environment can change. The supporting environment can be a server where you have installed your website, where you have to actually upgrade your database version. Or it can be a client-rated update where you have to test your application against a new browser version. Or you can also have changes where you are interfacing with a third party, maybe for an accounting purpose, and the third testing all your product interfaces or application interfaces to make sure that there's no impact. And the other important aspect that you need to keep in mind is regression testing is not just limited to testing the functionality of the website. It can be even applicable to non-functional testing types like security or performance. For example, you're making a server upgrade, hardware upgrade, and you have to make sure that the upgrade is not actually causing any issues with respect to performance. And as the primary objective is to actually validate the existing functionality, one should not be looking at writing new test cases for regression testing. Ideally, you should be reusing your existing test cases that you might have written for your testing your product feature or requirements. But there should be definitely effort that needs to be put in order to maintain the regression test packs, in the sense like some of your regression test cases can become obsolete, or you might have to change your test cases because the workflow might have changed. So there might be changes to the steps or the entire test case because the workflow of the feature has actually changed because of a new feature. And the most critical step in regression testing is to identify what test cases you need to execute in order to validate a feature addition or a bug fix. There are multiple ways to accomplish this. The first method is to execute all the test cases, and this is the most safe and the best approach possible. The second method is to analyze the application features and select the impacted test cases. So you might also decide to pick up both your high as well as medium priority test cases for your application. The third approach is basically to leverage test analytics tools that can actually help you to determine what test cases you need to execute based on the code changes that are done. So you have products like C-Lights as well as the Tricenter's Live Compare products for SAP, which actually helps to identify the right set of test cases based on the development changes. Suppose you have frequent releases happening to production, and if you're working on agile or scrum methodology, you might have to do frequent execution of your regression test cases. And it is not very easy to actually run all your test cases every time, because it actually consumes a lot of effort and it may take days together to complete. So in order to reduce the cost, one should be looking at automating the regression test cases so that you can run them repeatedly whenever there's a change made either to the environment or to the code. There are multiple tools as well as platforms in the market that allows you to automate your test. A few examples are tools like Selenium, Tosca, Appium, UFT, Test Complete. There are many tools. We'll be adding a new video about automation as well as regression testing practices in the next few weeks. Hope you found this video around regression testing useful. Please share your feedback, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel.